Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to Sewing is Fun. So today I'm going to make a straight cut pant for my 6 years old. So for that I took around 1.25 meters of fabric. So fold the fabric from the middle and from the top mark 2 inches downward. Make a straight line. On that line you need to mark fourth part of your waist adding 1 inch. I'm taking 6.6 inches. Now from that point mark your crotch, which is fourth part of your waist adding 2 inches more. Now make a corner. Now extend this line 2 inches more. Now mark the center of these 2 points. Just put your tape and fold it this way and mark the center point. Now the total length of my pant is 26 inches. I'm adding 2 inches more for hemming purpose. So 28 inches I'm marking here. Now make a straight line. Now from the folded side mark the exact center point which we had taken before. Now my ankle is 10 inches, so half of 10 is 5, so I'm marking 2.5 inches on both the sides from the center point. Now we need to join these lines by using the leg ruler in this way, and here also join these points. Now let's cut this out. If you will follow the same instructions, you are going to make a really very comfortable pant for your kids. I will suggest you to take a pure cotton soft fabric to make this pant. Now separate the pieces. And here's our front part is ready. Now to make the back part, fold the fabric from the middle again and from the top. Mark 1 inch downward, make a straight line, and on that line you need to place your front pattern in this way. Now pin it. Here we need to make the back pattern a little bit bigger because it will be easier for the child to sit up. So extend the crotch area to 1 inches more. Place the ruler in this way and make a straight line. And now here make the same crotch shape. Now from the outer piece also you need to extend it to half inches more. So mark and join these points. Length will remain the same. Now trace the exact inner leg pattern. And extend this line. Place your ruler in a slanting way to join it to the waistline. And now our back pattern is also ready. Now cut this out. If you are also choosing white or black color to make this pant, it will go with any traditional or western outfits like kurtas, shirts, t-shirts, etc. Now separate the pieces. Now first we need to join the crotch of both the front and back piece. So here added overlock also. Now place front and back piece towards the right side and first join the crotch, pin it, and now first we need to sew the inner leg piece. So first pin it properly and then give a stitch. So here I did overlocked also. Now we need to join the outer leg pieces. So place it in this way, pin it and sew it. So here after sewing, I left here around 2.5 inches because I need to give a slit of around 1 inch because it's a straight cut pant, so slit is must. So just mark it in this way, 1 inch on both the leg pieces. And now first hem the raw edges in the bottom side, so just fold it one time around half inch and sew it. Hemming the other leg piece also. Now after hemming, you need to follow the markings. Just fold it from the right side in this way and then give a stitch here, and then again fold this and give a stitch, and your stitch should be aligned equally on both the sides like this. So just sew it here, leaving around half inch. Now cut the thread and then fold this side also and give a stitch till the middle. So after giving the stitch, just turn it to the right side, and here's our slit is ready. After turning, you'll see the fabric turns automatically, and you can give a hem also. So first iron it, and you can see a nice slit here. See how well finished it is. You can also put the fusing tape to stick it, or just simply give a hem as I'm doing here to secure the open side of the hem. Now after hemming, you can see it's looking like this. See how the finishings are neat and clean. Now after giving the slit, we need to add the belt in the top side. So first we need to cut the elastic according to your waistline. Whatever is your waistline, just decrease 3 to 5 inches there according to the elasticity of your elastic, and then cut this. Now first we need to hem the raw edges of the upper part. Just fold and give a hem. Now fold it 1 inch more and pin it in this way. Leave this area open to insert the elastic and then start sewing. You can also cross check whether the width of your belt is equal to the width of your elastic band. Now after hemming, I'm going to insert the elastic band by using the safety pin. Now remove the safety pin and join the elastic band by giving 5 to 6 stitches. And now adjust the elastic by stretching it in this way. You can close this later. Now here give one more top stitch to keep it on place. So just stretch the elastic band in this way and start sewing. So this is how it will look after giving the stitches. See the nice finishings. towards the belt side and towards the side slits in the bottom side. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, then please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.